I just had my run. Katatapos ko lang and before ako umalis dito sa area, ayan, nandyan yung, ito na yung sa Luneta. Bago ako umuwi sa bahay talaga namin, meron ulit akong isa pang i-share na valuable information. Ito yung planning. Naniniwala ba kayo na if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail? Ako kasi naniniwala ako sa ganun eh. Kasi sa lahat ng aspeto talaga kailangan ng pagpaplano. At isa sa pinaka-importanting kailangan pagplanuhan natin is yung pag-venture natin sa business. So, bibigay ko sa inyo ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo ngayon yung 4 steps in planning para mag-succeed kayo sa business niyo. Number 1 is have a bigger goal or what you call the long-term goal. Example dyan is magkano ba yung gusto mong kitain sa isang taon sa business mo. Example lang dyan, kunyari is 1 million sa isang taon. Sorry, humihingal pa ako. That's your first step. Identify your long-term goal or the biggest goal. It should be inspiring kasi ito yung babalik-balikan mo bakit ka. Ito yung rason mo at babalik-balikan mo bakit ka nandito, bakit mo ginagawa ang business mo. This is your biggest why. So that's your first step. Second is you break down your long-term goal into smaller goals. Para naman achievable siya. Para hindi masyadong mabigat tingnan. So, for instance, ang long-term goal mo is 1 million in 1 year. So, magkano yan in 1 month? That's around 84,000 in a month, more or less. And then, magkano naman yan in a day? So, that's more or less 2,800 in a day. I-break down mo yan para mas madaling ma-achieve. And then, next is identify mo ngayon paano mo yan makuha yung smaller goals mo. Like for instance, para makakuha ka ng 2,000 or more or less 2,800 per day, dapat ilang boteng glutathione ba? Kung supplements ang binibenta mo, ang kinikerry mo, ilan bang bottle ng glutathione, or kung beauty products naman, ilang boxes ba ng soap ang dapat mong mabenta sa isang araw. So, ganun lang pag-identify. And then, the third step is acquire knowledge and skills. Pinaka-importante ito, hindi porket marami ng tao. Hindi maaaring hindi tayo mag-acquire ng knowledge and skills kasi kailangan to ng planning, kailangan alam mo kung paano mo ma-achieve yung goals mo. So marami namang ways dyan to acquire knowledge. May mga free webinars, may mga videos, training videos, nagkalat yan sa internet, and syempre magbabasa din tayo ng mga materials na gawa ng mga experts or leaders sa industry natin. So that's the third one. The fourth one is take massive and consistent action. Walang mangyayari sa knowledge natin sa pagsaset natin ng goals kung hindi tayo magte-take ng action consistently. So, pag nag-fail tayo, ulit lang, learn from that mistake, and then don't stop. Ulit-ulit lang, consistent lang tayo. Kasi hindi lahat naman nagsasucceed sa first try. Failure is part ng buhay. Sa lahat ng aspeto din ng buhay. So, okay lang yan. So, paulit-ulit lang, don't stop, don't quit. And that's all. Ulitin ko lang yung 4 steps ng planning is identify your long-term goal. Then the second is break down your goal into smaller goals, achievable ones. Third is acquire knowledge and skills. And fourth is take massive and consistent action. So I hope you learned something, and if you want to learn more, like how to sponsor at least 2 leads in a day, just click on the link below na nandito sa video vlog na to. Register ka sa webinar namin, weekly yon, free naman siya, open to all, na lahat ng interesado. And please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Okay, that's all for now, and have a blessed day everyone. Bye, see you.